ethereal elixir. So you might be wondering, where's my dad? So I'm going to be taking over the kitchen today, and I'm going to be your chef. So we are going to be making Aloo Gobi curry, and it's going to be the most simplest recipe in the whole entire universe. So let's get cooking. I have my 3 small potatoes, 1 large onion, and a half cauliflower. I'm keeping my potatoes and onion aside so I can start cutting my cauliflower. Here I have my cauliflower. I'm going to cut the stem off, and I'm going to cut them into bite-sized pieces. This way it's easier and faster to cook, and you don't want to cut the stem off and throw them away because you want that nice flavor and taste in your delicious, yummy curry. I cut my potatoes into half so it's flat and won't move when I'm cutting them. I make cube-sized pieces and repeat the same for the rest of my potatoes. Here I have my onion, and you want to keep the root because it will be very helpful when chopping the onion. So I'm chopping my onion in half and then peeling off the skin. Now I'm going to cut my onions into smaller chunks. First, I cut them in one direction. Then I start cutting them in the opposite direction. And you can peel off the layers. Here I have 2 cups cauliflower, 2 cup onions, 1 cup of my crushed tomatoes, 1 cup peas, and 1 cup potatoes. If you have a fresh tomatoes, you can crush them with a blender. I'm going to show you what spices I'm using. I'm using 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 2 whole green chillies, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons salt. Here I have my mixing bowl, and I will add all these dry ingredients to make a paste using water. Here I am using ginger and garlic powder, but if you wish, you can use ginger and garlic paste. And I have used Kashmiri red chili powder, which adds color but not that hot. And the green chili I will add as whole so that the curry will absorb the flavor. I like the flavor but not the fire. I have my pan ready. To this I add half cup cooking oil, and I also add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Once it starts to splutter, add the onions and potatoes and saute it for 2 minutes. So these are getting sauteed, and now I'm going to put the temperature to power boil. Then I add my cauliflower and again saute and cover the lid. I cook it for 3 more minutes. Now let's see what's going on here. I think the veggies are about 50% cooked. Then I add green peas and crushed tomatoes and the masala paste which I just prepared. Saute it again. Be careful not to splash the masala paste out of the pan. Also goes in 2 whole green chilies. Saute it and cover the lid. Let's cook it for 5 minutes on medium flame. Take a quick break. Hear a song, do a dance, but don't forget to come back. After 5 minutes, check the raw smell of the spice. Is gone. Then add 3 cups of water. Stir it and cover the lid. Let it simmer for 5 minutes on high flame. And another 5 minutes on low flame. After After 10 minutes, let's check if the potato is cooked or not. It looks good to me. The curry is ready now. I will add a few coriander leaves and now switch off the flame. Let me taste for salt. Get a potato, some peas, and a cauliflower, and some more curry. Now we are going to taste. So this curry, it's really good. The salt is perfect, and it's so awesome and simple. So this is like the best thing in the world, and you can have it with rice or paratha, roti, and all of those things. So this is perfect. And this is my first cooking video. So hope you like your new chef's recipe. I have plated it this way with a few lime slices, some rice, and my wonderful delicious curry. So let's see what my dad says about my delicious curry. La 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 la.
Hey guys, this is Chinmay Das, and today the kitchen is taken over by my daughter Nishka. So she prepared this Aloo Gobi Matar curry, and with that some white rice. It's topped with a few mint leaves and around a few slices of lime. So let's taste it. Mmm, tastes so real, very good. Let me taste the cauliflower. Cauliflower is cooked to perfection. It's neither undercooked nor overcooked. And the salt is perfect, like it's not less, neither more. So as the peas and potatoes turn out pretty good. Thank you, Nishka.
You're welcome. So please do try this recipe and subscribe, share, and like. And don't forget to smash that bell icon. Goodbye.